Ichigo Daifuku, a mochi with fresh strawberries and anko. It's a true Japanese treat that combines the soft, slightly chewy texture of mochi with the sweet, juicy flavor of fresh strawberries. I absolutely love mochi with strawberries, but it took me years to finally try making them at home, because it just seemed way too complicated. After making my own Ichigo Daifuku a few times though, I can tell you it's totally worth the effort. Nothing beats freshly made mochi. Yes, it's messy, and yes, it takes a bit of practice to get the dough right, but the flavor and the texture are so much better than anything you can buy at the store. You only need 6 ingredients to make Ichigo Daifuku mochi. Shiratamako is a special type of rice flour used to make the mochi dough. You mix the rice flour with water and sugar. And the filling is just anko and fresh strawberries. Take a spoonful of anko and roll it into a ball, then flatten it. Wrap it around the strawberry, covering everything except the tip. Smooth it out so the surface looks nice and even. Once you're done, you can place the anko-covered strawberries in the fridge while you make the mochi dough. In a bowl, mix the rice flour and sugar. Add the water little by little while whisking until the flour is fully dissolved and the mixture is lump-free. Pour the mixture into a microwave-safe bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and microwave on high for 1 minute. Take it out and give the dough a good stir. At this point, it'll still be pretty runny and white. Cover again and microwave for another minute. By now it should be slightly translucent and stretchy. If it's still too white and liquid, give it another 30 seconds. Let the dough cool for a few minutes. Dust a tray or clean surface with potato starch so the mochi doesn't stick. Flatten the dough with your hands. Divide the mochi dough into 6 equal portions. Place a strawberry tip side down in the center of the dough and wrap it up. Make sure the dough doesn't get too thin or it'll tear and reveal the strawberry. Pinch the edges to seal the mochi. Yes, it's super sticky, but promise me you won't give up. And remember, even if they look a little ugly, they still taste amazing. Gently roll each finished mochi in a little potato starch to give it a smooth finish. Slice the mochi in half before serving so you can see that beautiful strawberry inside.